This video provides a detailed guide to operating the 2665 drone. Navigate using the timestamps in the table of contents. Slide the progress bar to jump to specific sections. Accessories overview. Open the packaging box and remove the drone and accessories in sequence. Parts description. Next, identify the drone components and remote controller parts. Charging drone battery and remote. Take the Type-C cable from accessories. Connect Type-C plug to battery. Plug USB end into charger and power source. Lights on during charging. Lights off when fully charged. Remote must be off before charging. Flip open phone holder cover. Locate charging port on remote. Connect Type-C plug to port. Plug USB end into charger and power source. Right indicator lights during charging. Lights off when charged. Battery installation. Take modular battery align with drone battery compartment. Insert and lock into place. App download. Scan QR code. Select download link for your phone. Tap download in App Store. Wait for automatic installation after download. Using app. Power on the drone. Open phone settings. Find drone's Wi-Fi hotspot. Tap to connect. Return to home screen after connection. Open MR.LAUFLY app. Pre-flight preparation. Note: for first flight, ensure open outdoor area. Never fly indoors to avoid accidents damaging drone, injuring people or property. Check propeller installation. If markings onto propellers A or B don't match motor marks, drone cannot take off. Ensure battery is secured. Place drone on level ground with tail facing you. Remote controller setup. Extend controller arms. Attach control stick knobs from accessory bag. Flip open phone holder cover. Adjust phone holder angle. Mount phone on holder. Drone power on setup. Unfold front arms first, then unfold rear arms. Reverse order when folding. Hold power button 3 seconds until indicator lights blink. Slide power switch right. Indicators blink. Drone and remote pairing. After powering on both drone and remote, remote beeps once auto pairing starts. After rapid beeps DD, indicators stay solid. Pairing successful. App launch and calibration. Open MR.LAUFLY app. Enable required app permissions. Tap Start Flying. Place drone on level surface. Tap Settings icon. Tap Calibrate accelerometer for gyroscope calibration. Indicators flash rapidly. After beep, slow blink resumes. Calibration successful. Tap Calibrate compass for field calibration. After beep, drone lights off. Calibration mode active. Follow screen prompt lift 15M. Rotate drone horizontally 3 turns. After beep, front lights and front arm lights on. Rotate drone vertically 3 turns. After beep, rear arm lights blink. Calibration complete. Drone enters satellite search mode. Motor unlock and takeoff. When rear arm lights stay solid and app shows normal GPS signal, drone is ready for takeoff. Place both control sticks in outer corners. Unlock motors. After all propellers start spinning, push up left control stick for manual takeoff, or press auto takeoff button on remote for automatic takeoff or landing. Recommended method for automated operations. After landing, propellers stop, motors auto-lock. Then you may turn off the remote. Remote versus APP control. Left control stick adjusts drone altitude and heading direction. Right stick controls forward or backward and left or right movement. Release sticks during flight to activate auto hover. Tap more on APP's left side for advanced flight modes. Tap camera icon on APP's right for photo capture. Alternatively, use camera button on remote. Toggle photo or video button to switch to video recording. Or use video button on remote controller. Tap again to stop recording. Tap to return to main screen. Tap gallery icon to review captured media. Camera angle adjustment. Use camera tilt up or down buttons on remote controller. Flight modes. Optical flow mode. When GPS signal is weak or compass disturbed, drone may enter optical flow mode. How to activate optical flow mode. After drone remote pairing, calibrate gyroscope. Press GPS button briefly. Left indicator turns red, indicating GPS disabled. Unlock and take off. GPS mode, positioning system. When flying outdoors, after gyro and compass calibration, drone lights stay solid. GPS mode activated. Smart return to home Earth. 3 RTH methods. Manual, low battery, signal lost. Before takeoff, ensure GPS 10 satellites. Drone lights change from blinking to solid. This records current position as home point. Manual RTH in GPS mode. In GPS mode, press the return to home key to activate the automatic return function. During RTH, users can control ascent, descent, and lateral movement to avoid obstacles. Hold the RTH button to cancel RTH. Signal lost RTH. With GPS signal but remote signal lost 20 seconds. Drone auto returns. During RTH, if signal recovers, hold Earth button to cancel. Low battery RTH. When the drone has low battery, it will automatically execute the return function. During RTH, users can control ascent, descent, and lateral movement to avoid obstacles. RTH notes. 1. Drone flies direct path to home point, unable to avoid obstacles. Ensure clear flight path. 2. If GPS signal weak or unavailable, RTH fails. 3. Without satellite signal plus remote signal lost 20 seconds. Drone descends slowly and locks after landing. This concludes LAUFLY2665 Maiden Flight Guide. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your flight.